Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see Bootrec Fixboot is not working. It's saying access is denied and we are going to fix it. So let's go. First of all, we see the error, then solve this error. Just type boot rec space / Fixboot and hit enter key. And it's saying access is denied. Now we are going to fix this. Just type boot sect / nt60 space sys. Just type this as it is, boot sect / nt60 space sys and hit enter key on our keyboard. Now our problem is solved. Just type our old command boot rec space / Fixboot and hit enter key on our keyboard. Now operation complete successfully. So guys, this is the simplest way to solve this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.